So at this age, you can only pray that Allah Ta'ala save the world from any havoc,
Okay.
which can happen in the world.
Okay.
Otherwise, the world is leading towards a big disaster and havoc, and nobody knows what will be the outcome of it.
Okay.
So, as an atfal, you should pray to Allah, that Allah Ta'ala remove all these problems and give sense to the people of the world, and especially to the leaders, world leaders, and so-called clerics, mullahs, who are inciting Muslims to attack the innocent, and in retaliation, the other peoples also, those who are not Muslims, are also trying to take revenge from the Muslims and killing innocent people. So our duty is only to pray to Allah that Allah Ta'ala save us from all these atrocities. ठीक है?